Okay, students, a very warm welcome to all of you to this wonderful Google Meet. There are so many students are waiting for me to listen to my lecture on the topic Lagrang's interpolation method. Lagrang's interpolation method, that's what we have to describe today. I'm going to take. So again, I welcome all of you. So many students are waiting for my teaching today. It is good to see all of you here. Now let me take the screen now. It is Lagrang's inverse interpolation. Lagrang's inverse interpolation is used to find out the value of unknown if the value of known is given to us. That's called Lagrang's inverse interpolation. Okay, now let me discuss about that by taking a problem. Okay, now look at that. Look at that. Now you can see that now look at that. Now I will expand this so that you will understand that in a clear way. Now what is this? There is a discovery that gives us that if the thickness are in millimeter given here, then the wastage of scale, the wastage of the scale in kilogram is given like this. That is, when thickness is 1 millimeter, the wastage is 1 kilogram. If the thickness is 2 millimeter, then the wastage is 8 kilogram. If the thickness is 3 millimeter, then the wastage is 27 kilogram. If the thickness is 4 millimeter, then the wastage is 64 kilogram. This is what given to us. But the question is, if the wastage is 20 kilogram, what would be the thickness? That is what the question here. Okay, the question is like this: find the thickness when the wastage is 20 kilogram. What would be the corresponding thickness of the scale? That's what we are interested. So this is a chemical engineering situation. This problem can be solved by mathematics, what is called Lagrang's inverse interpolation method. That's what we are going to solve by this. Okay, now let us take that. Now how to find out that? Now look at that. Now let us have the solution to find out this. Okay, now when the wastage is 20, what is the thickness? The formula, Lagrang's inversion formula, by using that we have to write 20 minus 8 into 20 minus 27 into 20 minus 64. That should be in the numerator. Okay, now look at that. 20 minus 8, you have to leave the first number, then 20 minus 27 into 20 minus 64 divided by 1 minus 8. This 1 minus 8, 1 minus 27, 1 minus 64. Okay, so 1 minus 8, 1 minus 27, and 1 minus 64 into this number. We have to multiply this number, okay, and we will get into 1. Now plus the second term is you are leaving 8, then you will get 20 minus 1, 20 minus 27, 20 minus 64, that is in the numerator you will have. Now we are leaving this 8, then 20 minus 1, 20 minus 27, 20 minus 64, that you will have in the numerator. 20 minus 1, 20 minus 27, 20 minus 64. What would be the denominator? You will have 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, okay, then 20 minus 27, like that. 8 minus 27, 8 minus 64. That's what the numerator you will have. Now look at that. You will have 28 minus 1, 8 minus 27, then 8 minus 64. Your denominator over, multiply by these two, the x value, x1 value, okay. You will have 2. Then again plus what will have now, you are leaving 27. So what would be the numerator? You will have 20 minus 1, 20 minus 8, 20 minus 64 divided by, what we'll have here is that 27 minus 1, 27 minus 8, 27 minus 64 into this number 3. Okay, you have to multiply this number 3. The same way the last one, you are leaving the 64. Okay, leaving the 64 implies you will have 20 minus 1, 20 minus 8, 20 minus 27. 64 you have to leave, divide by. Now what we'll have in the denominator is that 64 minus 1, 64 minus 8, 64 minus 27 into the last number is 4. Okay, last number you will have is 4. Okay, this is the way we have to calculate the value of t when the wastage is 20. Okay, so if you simplify this, what's the answer you are getting is the thickness, when wastage is 20, what is the thickness? You simplify, will get 2.84675. Therefore what we understand is that if the wastage is 20 kilogram, then the thickness might have been 2.84675 millimeter. That's what we have here. Okay, so with that I am coming to the end of this class. In the next class I will come with another formula. Okay, so thank you.